with all the teaching fraternity, research scholars, students on ICT tools for Zoom. I hope this is the most wanted topic today. We are here to discuss alternative ICT tools for Zoom. I extend my hearty welcome to all the participants who are here on time. Welcome you all. So I present the agenda here. We start with introduction, then ICT tool 1, ICT tool 2, demo I'm going to present in the fourth agenda, hands-on training. Demo will be given for the 2 ICT tools. Later we shall discuss if time permits, or else you can post your questions in chat. Finally, conclusion. Okay. So the topics to discuss we shall recall once again. Introduction, ICT tool 1, ICT tool 2, hands-on training, demo. If you have another gadget with you, you can have hands-on training, you can practice parallelly, or else you please take notes. Discussion ends with conclusion. I hope the agenda is clear now. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Sendil Kumar sir, Madam Sendil Kumari, Sudha Sengutavan, Mr. Vimal Sangeeta. Someone has registered as a motto. I don't know whose name it is. Please change your name. The motto who has registered with the motto E. Madam Shanti Gurusamy. I welcome you all. First agenda is introduction. I am here to clarify why I have chosen this topic, alternative ICT tools for Zoom. Alternative has different meanings in English. A word has a lot of meanings. Here I choose exclusive. Exclusive ICT tools. ICT, we aware, it stands for information and communication technology. So we share information through technology. We communicate through technology. We communicate information, facts, opinions, data, infographical message, everything through technology. The tools are the facilities. Any technology has to reduce our work. I believe that if it is a technology, it has to reduce our work burden, has to facilitate us. The Zoom is free app. Why we need to think of alternative ICT tools for Zoom? A lot of crises arise. It has some security issues. The hackers are having 5 lakh and above data in their hands for those who are using Zoom. A lot of crisis arise. Central government says that please don't use Zoom. So today is the last webinar I use Zoom. The purposes for searching. If there is a security issue, we can't give up using online teaching sharing platform. Here we need to search for our purposes. Our purposes are several. Too many purposes we have to cope up with our daily expectations, to share information, to get information. So the purposes for searching alternative tools are listed below: to handle online classes, to host online meetings within the department, within the institution, with the family members, and to organize conferences. See here, online conferences, it has become a business globally. If you check in Facebook forum, conferences and seminars, they keep on posting a lot of conference details, webinar details using Zoom, Meet, the Facebook forum for teachers. Please note down, Facebook forum is conferences, seminars, workshops. This is the forum in Facebook. You can join. They keep on posting online conferences, online seminars, online FDPs. They keep on posting. Please join in Facebook forum to upgrade your knowledge. What happens around us? So the alternative ICT tool has become a business globally, but we don't aware of. And for companies to improvise customer services, they are thinking of using alternative ICT tools for Zoom and to hold credibility among stakeholders. If I use continuously Zoom, my stakeholders are my participants, those who are eagerly coming to my webinars regularly. To satisfy them, I need to choose the alternative tool for Zoom. If they hesitate to use Zoom, so I take this responsibility to handle my class, to host the online meetings. I hope this is clear. So ICT tool number one has to do all these things for me and for you also. See here, I have enlisted the purposes once again. ICT tool number one has to help me to handle online classes, has to allow to host online meeting, which has to facilitate to organize online conferences, really promoting to improvise customer supports for those who hesitate to use Zoom for security purposes. So this ICT tool number one, which meets my expectations or the users' expectations by holding credibility among stakeholders, is GoCo.live. See here, it's very easy. You don't need to download any app here. Very easy to work with this GoCo.live. So it helps us to meet out all these purposes. I have muted all. I welcome someone has joined with some Kerala. I welcome Madam Mahalakshmi, Madam Bhuvana. I welcome you all. Okay, GoCo.live. You can write in your scribble pad if you have. We are going to have a demo. So type in your browser. If you are using your smartphone, please open another browser. Type https://goco.live. Thereafter typing GoCo.live, please press search button or enter button. This is the home page of GoCo.live. After clicking let's start, you will get this screen. You have to type your name and room. A room may be your department. If my room is if my department is English, you can go ahead with the name Priya and room English. A request to all the participants, if the session ends, you can come back again with the same username and password. You have to sign in again with the same username and password for this session. See here, I have given a demo. See Priya, webinar 18 and join room. Once you share the webinar 18, once you visit GoCo.live, you get name and room. When you type the room webinar 18, you will get screen like this. Before that, we shall have a demo here. We shall have a demo of So see here, dear all, I am sharing the screen. Goko.live. This is the first stage. Once you type here the Goko.live in the search box, you will get this notification with Yum logo. Madam Bhuvana, please check your audio if you have any issues. For others, is this visible? Please type yes in chat. Are you able to see this screen? Goko.live. Please type yes. Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you. So Goko.live. Here I have not downloaded anything. I have not logged into my Gmail account. I have not logged into my Facebook account. Simply I type, let's start. So I have muted my video and I type here my name and I enter my room ID as English. So you can join. You can open and you can join. Visit Goko.live. Type your name. Type your department, not type your department, my department, English. This is the password. English is the password. You can join. Once you join, let's see what happens. See this notification we can close later. So this is the screen we will get when you all type and log into this Goko.live. You will get screen like this. You will have a number of participants like this Zoom. We can have your webinar, conferences, online classes, meeting, discussions, conferencing call with your family, friends. I request you all to open a new browser. Visit Goko.live. Goko.live. Enter your name and room English. I wish to see you all here. Now we shall check. It takes just few seconds. I shall wait here for another 1 minute. Someone is scribbling in the pad. Please don't. Yeah, Ravi Kumar Kola sir has joined. Very good, very good. Very good. I hope it is visible to all. Yeah, very simple. So you no need to wait for username and password repetitively. I can suggest one simple technique. If you are working in a college or working in a school, you please prepare a list of all the faculty against their names. Ask them to use room ID as department name. For example, mathematics. For mathematics, maths. Physics, physics. If Priya handling physics, my name, participant name, Priya. Room, physics. If Priya handles maths, name Priya, room max. So if Ravi Kumar sir is handling English, Ravi Kumar Kola and password or room name may be English. So it will be highly helpful to get join here. Ashok sir has joined. I hope the demo is given. You can start sharing. You can start sharing here, share screen. So I'm going to share screen here. This is the screen we are here in Goko.live. In this button, you have to click here. You have to click here to share screen application window. Now I'm going to show you the Zoom page, the PPT page, presentation within presentation. Yeah, very great to see. So how beautifully, so I'm presenting through GoCo.live for ICT tool number 2. Can you imagine how technology is facilitating us? All the 5 purposes I have enlisted already are here. The second ICT tool is TeamLink. So I'm presenting this slide through GoCo.live. I'm sharing the screen from GoCo.live. Revati madam has asked a question. You have typed, you are here, but your name is not shown. But your name is visible to me, madam. I do not know why, but we are running behind time. I hope if the screen is visible to you, we shall discuss later over phone. Thank you. The second ICT tool is TeamLink. I wish to recall again. I am presenting this slide through, see here, GoCo.live is sharing a window. I am not sharing my window through Zoom. I am sharing my window through GoCo.live. So some other, you can ask me what are the other resources, why should we use GoCo.live and TeamLink? So there are several ICT tools which are Cisco, WebEx, IT companies pay and use, even apps are available, but even you register, you can't get the access to use Cisco, WebEx at present. This is the scenario. Those who had already account only can host the meeting. So remember, those who are already having an account only can host meeting. At present, none can register. I tried several times. Cisco, WebEx, please don't waste time. Nowadays, if you are planning for online session, it does not allow new installation. The next option is Google Hangouts. If we have Gmail ID, we can use Google Hangouts, very easy to use, but it also comes under security issues suggested by most of the experts not to use at present time during Corona period, COVID-19. It demands your Gmail account. Definitely remember your user ID and password. So here I share. Is this visible now? Cisco and Google Hangouts. See here, Cisco, IT companies use. Next is Google Hangouts. The third one, GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is an app, but we have to purchase the version. It allows us for 7 days free trial only. We can't use, those who are not earning that much of amount, especially not working, not getting salary, they won't choose GoToMeeting. Yeah, so I have disabled waiting room, or can join immediately. This problem won't arise in GoCo.live. If we start using only, we will come to know what are the problems arise. Is the screen visible? Okay. GoToMeeting, and the next is start meeting. You can download in your mobile, but it is not providing option to host the meeting. It also has some security issues, but need Gmail account, but it's not permitting you now at present. If you have meeting ID, you can join. Google Meet needs Gmail account, allows 250 participants to join, but at present it is in development. You can't host at present. If you try after this webinar immediately, you can't. It will be implemented. It will be in development after few days. It is expected to be developed within the early month of May. Within a week, we can expect to host Google Meet. If the facilities are provided, our next webinar may be scheduled in Google Meet. Then WhatsApp offers 8 persons to join for a video conference. Very easy, we feel comfort here. So hands-on training for Coco.live we had already. So now Team Link. Now Team Link we shall have training. I'm going to share my screen from another device. So I stop sharing here. Stop sharing here. Let me share the screen to give you demo. To give you demo on a second ICT tool. See, I have shared my mobile. I choose Team Link app. See here, I have the app Team Link. Is this screen visible now to all of you? Please type yes. Yeah, okay, then, yeah, very good. Team Link here. I'm not working in my laptop. I'm working in my mobile. Start or join a meeting. Schedule a meeting. I'm going to schedule a meeting. If you use it for the first time, click and choose. Already a lot of IDs are created for trial version. So before sharing any good information, I make attempts first. Let me know what are the purposes, how does it work, what are the various involved. So this is the trial versions I had used. I create a new meeting name here. The name here I provide Priya. Password is optional. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Or else you can choose P R 1 2 3 4. P R 1 2 3 4. You can try this later, or if time permits, you please download Team Link in your mobile. Yeah, am I audible now? Madam Pramila Priyadarshini, am I audible now? So go to Team Link. If you have not installed, you can install now. You will have a demo. Okay. Madam Nitya is downloading. I choose. This is the Team Link username and password. I have the link. The link is created. Please check the screen here. Let it be downloading in your mobile. You no need to waste time. So once I clicked OK, the screen displays you are invited to an online meeting message. The message is ready. And now I'm here to do one thing. The only thing is send invitation. I click invitation. See how many apps I have here, where I can share a lot of platforms. So in laptop, I have not checked. I have installed in my mobile. Okay. I hope this will be clear now. Okay, fine. So we have a lot of things to share. I'm going to share this message in Telegram. I have see Priya's webinar on my page. So here I share the message. See here, you are invited to an online meeting powered by TeamLink. So this is my Telegram page. I have posted all my information here to get future notifications easily by all the participants. You can join here. Let me click. What happens? Let's see. Allow this page to open TeamLink. Okay. Fine, I have joined now. See, I'm in TeamLink. So this way you can connect. Now I press. I go back again. Join meeting. Now I'm going to, there are a lot of options provided here. I'm going to click the plus option to invite others, plus, and now I click mail. So let me send mail to Revati madam and Chandru sir, Dr. Ravikumar Kola, Dr. Ramya, Mr. Vimal, Madam Jayanti Kesavan, whomever, whatever names and email IDs I remember, I type and share. Type meeting invitation. I sent. I request all the participants here to check your Gmail. You please check your Gmail. For 4 or 5 members, I have shared the team link. Please check your Gmail. You can join here. Very simple. Shall wait for another 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. So please check your Gmail account. For the selected candidates, I have sent my Gmail. See in team link, how to share screen. Here I have the option in these 3 boxes. The box which has 3 numbers. Screen share. Screen share. Start now. And I click the start now. Here you can share. The screen. Similarly, you worked in Zoom. Okay, so we shall use this. So people, you may be clear now with how to use TeamLink and Goco.live. I have left the room of TeamLink. I shall share now my desktop. Wait a second. New room here. We are in the age to learn everything. Back to Zoom page. Going back to Zoom page. Share. Okay. Team link. So here we worked with the team link. People are typing. Okay, so for team link, you have to download or install team link. You shall recall the steps once again. Create your account and use your Gmail ID and create room. Schedule your meeting. Schedule your meeting as I showed. So please share the scheduled meeting through social network to friends, family, and others through share chat, Facebook, your Telegram app, and email, ordinary messages, WhatsApp, whatever you wish to, which ICT tool you use. Please advertise, engage audience, create new community for your own. Be technical friendly. Become a techno savvy. Hands-on training. Host meeting, share screen, present with the video. You can mute and unmute audio. A lot of opportunities, facilities. You have the same facilities which you enjoy now with Zoom. So I shall recommend 6 options. The one is use any one ICT tool. We have discussed 2 ICT tools. You can go ahead with any one ICT tool and schedule meeting. Share the schedule details. Regards twice. Present well and earn credibility. We can take a screenshot of this slide here. Madam Satya has raised her hand. Okay, so all the very best to all the participants. Thanks for listening. Thanks for coming back. So you can follow my YouTube channel. I will post this video in Google English Grammar YouTube channel. This is my Facebook page, my contact number, my email ID. You can ask doubts through email, and my webinar channel exclusively for a webinar in Telegram. If you have Telegram channel, you can join. If you type C space Priya apostrophe S space webinar in Telegram app, you will get my page. You can join. You will get the future webinar notifications. Thank you all. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, we can discuss.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Now I unmute you all.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. I have one question, ma'am. Hello,
Priya ma'am. I think you are.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Priya.
Hello, madam.
Hello, Priya. Someone is on. Someone wants to need get a clarification from you.
Yeah, please wait.
Yeah, ma'am, I think you are on mute.
Hello.
Sir, whoever is talking, yeah, ma'am, is on mute. Let her unmute.
Chandru sir, Hangouts. Recently, a study said that we are recommended not to use a Hangout since some hackers are using our data.
No, ma'am. I have one more ICT tool. That's what I am telling.
Okay, please post your comment here. Chandru sir has one more ICT. You please post for everyone, Chandru sir. All are following.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Lot
just
more
adding it
ICT,
in.
lot more ICT tools are there. I have shared team link on coco.live for those who do not have technical knowledge. So those people can easily
Same.
use coco.live to handle online classes with their students, conduct meetings with the faculty. Chandru sir, what ICT tool you use? You have typed here. I have one more ICT.
It is similar.
I
Yes,
request
it
you
is
all
similar
to you
to
type and
GoCo.live.
share here in the screen. All the participants. Okay, for all the participants, I have typed Sanyamaste.in ICT tool. I post it in chat. I hope this is visible to all of you now. Sanyamaste.in. You can use this ICT tool. Is this app or website, sir? Is this a
It is
website?
similar to GoCo Live.
Similar to Coco Live. Coco.live. Thank you for sharing your valuable information, sir. I hope this might have reached a lot of teaching fraternity, research scholars who have joined here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste.
Yeah, this is what we need to do. Teaching fraternity have to enrich other teachers through sharing knowledge. So here what we do today in this fine evening is we share information what we know. This is the great success of teaching fraternity through online platform. We share our knowledge. So I have come to know Sanyamaste. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you for
Thank you, ma'am.
joining.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a
Yes.
nice day.
Thank
Stay
you.
home.
Thank you so much.
Stay safe. I end this meeting now. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. It's a great day today it is. Thank you.
We have